Hey there, and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome to Ashley's YouTube channel. I'm Ava, Ashley's avatar. Today, Ashley's going to show you how she preps her hair before braiding it. This video is short and sweet, so you get all the tips in no time. But before we jump in, don't forget to subscribe to Ashley's channel, give this video a like, and drop a comment below. Alright, let's get started. Off camera, Ashley used Fendi Hair's The Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo and the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner. Now, she's applying Pattern Piece Leave-In Conditioner. Followed by Fendi Hair's Heat Protectant Styling Cream. And yes, she's almost out of it. So, Fendi Hair wants to sponsor you, girl, we're ready. But seriously, as a backup, she's using a heat protectant spray by Red. Now, it's time to blow dry her hair straight. After that, she braids each section to keep the hair stretched and manageable. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.